Okay.
Hey, it's August 27th, 2018. This is the RChain Community Forum meeting with Donald, I guess, reporting on activities for the week. Donald.
Hey, hi, Jim. So I would like to talk about a few updates for the forum, which I implemented this week. And let me do a screen sharing. I would like to talk about three things. Let me also share the Google Doc agenda here. Okay. So I'm doing a screen share. Okay, so the first feature I implemented this week is called Q&A, questions and answers, and it's implemented under the questions categories. So let's do a demo here. Let's say someone creates a question, then someone goes and answers that question, or many people answer that question. Then the creator of the question can go to the selected answer that he marks as an answer, and he can upvote the answers, and the most voted answer comes on top. So right now I voted this answer here, and so you voted for this post. So if there are many, that's what this feature does. So the next one is the voting feature, which is implemented under the forum feedback questions, ideas, projects, and I believe also in the governance. And what it does is creating a topic, and basically someone replies, the creator of the topic can check this checkbox here says select if this reply solves the problem, and one of the answers is marked as a solution for this problem. So this is the solved feature, not the voting feature. So the voting feature is implemented so you can upvote or vote for certain topics. For example, if you go for feedback again, go here, you can vote for this topic. And the most voted topics are coming on top. And that's implemented under forum feedback, questions, ideas, projects, I believe governance as well. So I think these are 3 features that are going to help with the governance and voting for certain issues that are going to get filled. So those were the 3 features. And I would like to show you some statistics. So right now we have 35 users. And this is a graph of the signups, which is going up and down. So we had 1 sign up yesterday, 7 signups on August 3rd, etc., etc. This metric here shows us new topics for each day, new posts, the users that are engaged daily. So we have gone from 0 to 1, 3, 8, and yesterday 6 users. This graph here represents the new contributors. And on the activity metrics, we can see the page views. So if we go back to, let's say, 1st of May until today, which is the month that the forum started building up, you can see how we started right here, and the all-time high was 3,928 page views on July 7th. Here we can see the user visits. Again, from May to June, July to August, and hopefully this will rise. This one is the time that it took for people to respond. So basically, is a metric for the overall activity. So we had nothing until July 28th. We had and then it's falling down again. So basically, these are the metrics that I have. And I'm about to finish the development of the forum. I have set up all the plugins. There is one more plugin to set up, which is the logins plugin, which is going to bring login availability for different platforms. For example, you could be able to log in from a Facebook account, Instagram account, and I'm also implementing Chinese social media like WeChat, QQ, and several others.
They support GitHub?
Yeah, I'm going to set GitHub as well. Set up GitHub as well.
Sweet.
And it also supports Discord. So I'm going to implement that as well. And oh, by the way, there's a nice feature for security purposes here, which is the two-factor authentication. I'm encouraging everyone to enable that and store your backup keys, your backup codes, safe place. Once you enable that, you won't be able to log in via social media because that's going to be a security risk. So I have logged in from Google and Twitter, and basically it grabs data from those two services and merges them with my email account. So I believe that was all I had to say.
Good stuff, Don. Well, thanks much. I was wondering about if it would be worthwhile to set up a members-only category.
Oh, I was thinking about that, but then it would be a little bit hard to automate the process, or maybe we could do that by hand or manually.
Yeah, that would. It would. I think you can set it up so that you can, you can set up a category at trust level 2.
Or I can set up a group. This course supports groups, and I can create a category that only that group can view. And
Interesting.
And
I tried to do that, and when you create a category, on the Digital Life Collective Discord, there is no way to include a group. It only gives you a choice of trust levels.
Oh, I think, let me see. So right now I have the default private group, which Discord creates for posting metrics or like README, etc. So in the README, oh, by the way, I'm also going to implement the offline page for when rebuilding or upgrading. And Okay, so you can add basically what this guy says here is that you can create a custom group, add the users for that group, the members of that group, and then go to the category, security, edit permissions. You delete the everyone permission and you add the group that you just created, and that's it.
Interesting.
Do you want me to send you that link?
Sure.
Sending it on Discord.
Can you just hit create category there, and I'll show you what I see in the drop down. But that's when you're creating a category, not when you're modifying it. But
if you create a category, let's say we create a category here, you can go to security, edit permissions. You remove this one. You remove the everyone permission.
Just open the drop down there. I want to see what's in there.
Admins, moderators. These are groups. These three are groups, and then the rest are trust level.
But where is the group you created? Yeah.
Where do you create a group?
I thought you created a group.
Oh, in order to create a group, you have to go to the admin, users, groups, then you go new group.
Say members. Yeah, RAM. That's good.
And you add the owners and the members.
Okay.
And then go back to creating a new category, security, edit permissions, remove this one and add the new one and add the permissions here.
Well, wait, did you add the RAM one? No.
No.
Okay.
I'll do it later.
Very good.
Okay, let me write that down on the...
I thought we have the Discord server, where we talk about where we chat about the forum. I figured if we had a RAM category, and then we had a subcategory for I guess, internal stuff. I don't know. We don't need it yet. It's probably the future. I think we have to get, we have to build up some usage, greater usage.
Yeah,
but
definitely.
I think the Discord would be a great place for doing member activities. And of course, we have to figure out how we're going to add them. Now, based on trust, if a group member is allowed to add someone to the group, and we had a little bit of oversight, in terms of, watching that people aren't adding people that aren't members.
Yeah.
We could probably manage it. And ultimately, we might, do a little plug-in thing that uses the Discord authentication.
Yeah.
Make sure they have the member role in Discord.
Well, we could edit log in with Discord plugin already
Right.
exists. So
Add another condition or whatever. I don't know. It's just for the future thought. I was, I'm not saying that's something we need right now, but I think this could be very useful for the members, particularly in the governance area.
yeah.
But I'm also looking at moving our governance largely into activities in terms of building working groups into Mattermost, where we have the social ledger.
Okay, so I'm not familiar enough with Mattermost.
It's it's like another Slack-like alternative, but we run it ourselves. It's not a service.
Oh, it's a self-hosted.
Somebody else's service.
Yeah.
So we're in control. I mean, it's open source. We can modify it.
Awesome.
Has a lot of and it's much better than Discord because it supports linking and action buttons and things, and it allows longer text items. It supports Markdown, so you can use Markdown in your items.
Oh, that's nice. I like Markdown. So I got Alan to write some Markdown. he liked it, I think.
Yeah.
So on the marketing side for the forum, I'm doing some work with crypto videos. Do you know?
Yeah.
Do you know him?
Evan.
So I've written a script about. We're basically doing a mini series of animated video explaining RChain in layman's terms. And the first video of that series, first of all, the videos are going to be small, like maybe 40 seconds to a minute. Basically, a very fast explanation of why RChain. You know what I mean? And I wrote the script and he's doing the editing work and animation work. And do you want me to read you let's read you the script. It's very small. Where is it? So RChain video script. Okay. So it goes like this. Think of RChain's virtual machine as a highway builder. Instead of having one highway with cars, one behind another, as the platform grows, RChain creates new highways when necessary. When one highway is packed, another one is created instantly. On top of that, these highways exist and run simultaneously. This results in the ability to run big decentralized applications at the scale of Facebook and transactions at the speed of Visa. So imagine that with animated video.
Cool.
Building highways. So that's what we've been doing with him, and we started with this one, the first one, and we're looking forward to writing and creating more content for regular people to understand deep networking and technical aspects of RChain.
Sweet.
Okay, so it looks like it's just you and me today. So, do you have any questions or comments?
I wish I didn't could get more involved in participating in the forum. Hopefully, I will. We've got are you going to Archon 3?
Well, no, I think it's quite expensive for me. I don't have any euro.
Everyone who applied for a scholarship got one.
Oh, I didn't knew that.
Yeah, I mean, I asked for 80%. They ask you what percentage can you cover yourself. And I said 20%.
Oh.
And, but they came back and gave me 100%.
Oh.
So, and I think
didn't know that.
I think we gave everybody 100%.
Nice.
Too bad we didn't realize it before. But when they said they were extending the period, that's when I applied.
Yeah, first I read. I have read all the blogs because I also translate them. So at the beginning, I read that they had a coupon code, Count Mine, and it gave you 50%
the discount.
Discount. Yeah, and then they changed that and they made it to if you pay with ETH, you get a 50% discount. So it's it's evolving.
Yeah, I didn't have to pay anything, and I think I don't think any. I think everyone they want people at the conference, but unfortunately, it's too late now.
So what about the flying tickets? They're
paying 100%, the hotel 100%. A lot of meals come with the conference.
That's nice. Okay, so I have a friend in Germany. I may, I don't know if they accept any more people, but I may pin him to visit.
That's interesting. I wonder what would happen if you submitted an application now for a site you could still submit a request.
Okay.
Just take a chance.
I'll try that. Okay, so
it may be turned off, but the last time I looked, the form was still there.
Yeah, I think they are heading for 500 people, and I believe there are like 100, maybe 120 right now. So they want a lot of people to go there.
Yeah. What? I'm sorry. I'm distracted here for a second. All right. Forum's looking great. I mean, hoping we can get some greater activity there.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to bring up today?
Not at the moment. I believe by the next week, the next meeting, we're going to have the video ready of the mini-series. And most likely I'm going to finish the development of the forum by next week, and we can start focusing on the marketing side of it. There are a lot of people that are pinging me and DMing me about the marketing. They want to help, and I'm open to ideas. Of course, everyone is open to market it for himself, I have some ideas, but those are mostly for when I finish the development, because I would like to start them up myself, and then guide people to maybe using them or get some additional ideas, comments, and so on. So we are 10 minutes to the hour. So let's, I think we're good for the day, right?
All right. Thank you, Donald. And
thank you very much, Jim. Hopefully on the next meeting, we'll have more participants and expand the discussion.
very good.
Bye.